This video will show you how to install LED taillights on the 2000 to 2006 Chevy Tahoe Suburban and GMC Yukon Denali. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by opening the rear hatch. Remove two Phillips head screws indicated by red arrows. Now remove the tail lights and disconnect the light bulb sockets. Connect the LED taillight harness to the brake and turn signal sockets. Make sure the polarities of the wires are matched correctly. Now place the LED taillight in the stock location. Now fasten the tail light with the two Phillips head screws that we removed earlier. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing SPECDTUNING videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.